MTI, your source for ventless kitchen solutions. Using the MirOil system with the AutoFry MTI-40E. Begin by powering off the AutoFry. Next, open the lower double doors. Remove the lid from the MirOil canister. Place the metal frame and mesh net on top of the canister. Now, position the system underneath one of the drain pipes. Slowly open the drain handle to begin draining the oil through the filter. When finished draining, close the drain valve. Next, remove the metal frame and mesh net. Dump the filtered oil back into the AutoFry through the main front door. Please note, you must repeat this process on each side independently. The MirOil canister is not large enough to hold oil from both oil pots at the same time. Questions? Contact us directly.